Welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Thank you, my loyal subscribers and all new subscribers. Welcome to Fergie's Kitchen. I promise you won't be bored. You will learn a lot of new things and you will eat a lot of good food. So today I'll be making papaya bowls, papaya berry bowls. And guys, I'm so excited for this. Today it's a lot of berries. There you go. And you know, berries are full with great nutrition. You know everything about berry and benefits for berries, including your skins. You know, when you put berry, when you eat berries in your regular diet, it has a lot of health benefits. It's good for your arteries, lower cholesterol, you name it. All great things for berries. You know that. Fights inflammation. And banana, full of potassium. Everybody knows about bananas. But here is what's stealing the show today. My papaya. With most benefits are the seeds. A lot of people don't know that. You can dry the seeds and use them in place of black peppers. But the papaya seed is full of so much health benefit. It detoxifies your liver. So for this to be a liver detoxification, this is awesome. So the seeds, it's full of antibacterial. It kills bacteria like E. coli, staph, and Salmonella. Great for viral infection, and it works as a viral agent. So guys, like in Costa Rica, they have been utilized this as a part of their medical properties. It's good for fertilization, cancerous, tumors, inflammation, intestinal parasite, like ringworm. You call it ringworm? Ringworm? And typhoid. It's also good to help you lose weight. So there is a lot of health benefits in papaya seed. Like when I cut the papaya, I usually just take a spoon and just swallow it. So this is my ingredients for today, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. Here's my papaya. When you peel it, you just leave a little bit for it to sit on, a little bit of the skin. So you can sit on it. So now I'm cutting up my banana and make my bowl. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. So my FK gang, here is my papaya berry bowls. I hope you like. Remember, this is loaded with crazy health benefits. All right. Pretty, huh? And before I go today, you know, I always have my scripture of the day. Today's scripture is coming from 2 Corinthians 12, verse 10. That is why, for Christ's sake, I delight in weakness, in insult, in hardship, in persecution, in difficulties. For when I am weak, then I am strong. Don't forget that. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, on the surface you may appear the small person, but underneath, you are actually much bigger and solid as a rock. A friend of mine shared that scripture with me today, so I decided to share that with you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in today. please remember, if you see what you like, share, comment, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching today. Bye-bye.